This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Make sure your Apple Watch SE2 has the latest watch OS and at least moderate battery or is charging. Once done, wake the display and press the digital crown to access apps. This speeds the process. Open settings right away because enabling always on requires direct control from the watch settings rather than the iPhone for precise options. This first step avoids fumbling between devices and puts you where the toggle lives. Now you'll navigate. In Settings, choose Display and Brightness, then scroll to find Always On. You tap the toggle to enable it. This keeps key watch face elements visible when your wrist is down. Make sure to review wake duration and reduce brightness if battery matters, because Always On increases power use. If you prefer selective complications, customize the watch face complications now so only essential info stays visible. That balances usefulness with battery conservation. Finish by testing. Lower your wrist and glance at the watch. Always On will show a dimmed face. If it doesn't, make sure theater mode or power reserve aren't active, and then restart the watch by holding the side button until you see the slider and power cycle it. If the toggle still won't stick, unpair and repair as a last resort. This resolves software conflicts. Remember, Always On trades battery life for convenience, so adjust brightness or complications to optimize runtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.